Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Salesforce to Power BI. First, open Power BI Desktop on your computer. You will need an active Salesforce account with appropriate API permissions to proceed. Next, locate and install the Salesforce connector within Power BI's Get Data options. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a secure and functional connection between the two platforms, allowing you to access your valuable CRM data. Once the connector is ready, navigate to Get Data and search for Salesforce objects. You'll then be prompted to enter your Salesforce username and password. It's important to use credentials with sufficient access to the data you wish to analyze. After successful authentication, a navigator window will appear, allowing you to select the specific Salesforce objects, like accounts or opportunities, that you want to bring into Power BI for reporting. After selecting your objects, the Power Query Editor will open. This powerful tool lets you clean and transform your Salesforce data before loading it. You can remove irrelevant columns, filter out specific rows, or even merge queries from different objects. Once your data is prepared to your satisfaction, click Close and apply to load it directly into your Power BI data model, making it ready for visualization. With your Salesforce data now loaded, you can begin building insightful reports and dashboards. Utilize Power BI's extensive visualization options to present your CRM data effectively, perhaps showing sales trends or customer demographics. Once your report is complete, publish it to the Power BI service to share with your team. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. This allows for collaborative analysis and data-driven decision-making across your organization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.